Ever struggled with a dull knife that smashes tomatoes instead of slicing them? Or a flimsy spatula that melts under heat? Kitchen frustrations like these waste time and money. But what if the solution cost less than your morning coffee? In this video, we test $5 store kitchen items, each under $5, to find out if they're hidden gems or instant regrets. We scoured dollar stores for kitchen tools that promise functionality without breaking the bank. Our criteria? Durability, practicality, and value. From knives to food containers, each item will face real-world tests, chopping, heating, and daily use, to separate the winners from the fails. Spoiler, some will shock you. Meet our first contender, a stainless steel knife priced at just $3. We tested it against herbs, tomatoes, and even frozen meat. Surprisingly, it held its edge better than some premium brands. However, the plastic handle cracks under pressure. Verdict: a solid backup knife, but not for heavy-duty tasks. A dollar store cutting board sounds risky, but this thin plastic version defies expectations. It's lightweight and easy to clean, perfect for veggies. But when we tested it with raw chicken, it warped under hot water, raising hygiene concerns. Verdict: great for fruits and herbs, but avoid meat prep. These collapsible silicone measuring cups promised space-saving convenience. They delivered accurate measurements for dry ingredients, but leaked with liquids. Ideal for baking powder or flour, not oil. Verdict: handy for bakers, but don't trust them with liquids. This rubber spatula boasts heat resists up to 400 degrees Celsius. It excelled at mixing batter and scraping bowls, but melted slightly near direct stove flames. Verdict: a multitasker for mixing in cold foods, but keep it away from open flames. The star of the haul: these airtight containers kept cereal crispy and leftovers fresh for days. No leaks, even when shaken upside down. The locking mechanism rivals pricier brands. Verdict: a must-buy for anyone needing budget-friendly storage. After rigorous testing, here's the breakdown. The containers and knife are steals. The measuring cups and spatula are niche picks, and the cutting board is veggie only. Total cost? Just $15 for 3 winning items that outperform their price tags. Dollar stores can surprise you. Remember Scene 1's mess? With our $15 haul, the same kitchen is now efficient and organized. The knife slices cleanly, containers stack neatly, and the spatula mixes perfectly. Proof that smart, budget-friendly upgrades are possible. Which item will you try? Comment below.